Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the color of clothes in your video using InShot application. Alright guys, here I have opened my InShot application on my phone, and let's just start creating new project. So click on the video, then click on new, and you're going to select the blank clip over here. Then just click on this checkmark button to import the clip to the InShot project. Okay, and then let's just duplicate the clip, but before it I'm going to make it shorter. Then we can find the duplicate option. Okay, this one, and I'm going to duplicate it one more time. Then let's just change the color of the clip so you can find the background. You can select the color for your clothes right here, and I'm going to select this one for the first clip, and for the second clip I'm going to select this one. Okay, then for the last clip just do the same step. Click on background, then select the color for your clothes. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and now let's just import the video that we want to change the clothes color. So just tap on the PIP option, and then select your video. I'm gonna go with this video, guys. Tap on the video, and then we're going to make the size of the video same with the first video or the first clip. Okay, I'm going to zoom in like this. Alright, and now let's use the chroma option to change the color of the clothes. You can tap on chroma right here, then you can pick the color of the clothes. Okay, then we're going to increase the strength like this, and for the shadow make it 100%. Okay, now let's just click on this checkmark button, and let's take a look at the final result. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can change the color of clothes in our video using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.